Good morning, students. Today we start third chapter, Current Electricity in Science 1. In this chapter, we want to learn potential and potential difference, conductors and insulators, or insulators means bad conductors, electrical resistance and Ohm's law, connection of resistors and effective resistance. And now see what we see all around us. Electricity is of utmost importance in our today's modern world. We depend on it for almost everything in our day-to-day life. In order to avoid the inconvenience faced due to failure of power supply, hospitals, banks, offices and private institutions make alternate arrangements with the help of generators. Electricity is used for running electric furnace, electric motor and several other instruments used in industries. All of you know that in today's modern world we use electricity in our day-to-day life. In everything, almost everything we use electricity. Due to power failure, to avoid this power failure, we use convenient other instruments or other arrangements to that electric instruments like say generators, inverters, like that used in hospitals, banks, because if there is a power failure, other convenience use other arrangements are there in the hospitals and also banks, private institutions, like that. Means there is a very importance in our day-to-day life to the electricity. Very importance to the electricity in our day-to-day life. In our home, means in our we use electric appliances like fridge, electric oven, mixer, fans, washing machines, etc. And we are these instruments, these appliances, also saving our time and also labor. These instruments saving our time and labors, and these appliances cannot run without electricity. Means there is a necessity of electricity to run these appliances, electric appliances. You know that only human being not use electricity, but also animals also use electricity. For example, see, eels use electricity. Fishes like eels use electricity to catch their prey and for self defense, self protection के लिए और prey catch करने के लिए fishes like eels use electricity. The lightning strikes the earth as an excellent example of the natural flow of electricity. In rainy season, you know that there is a lightning. This is a natural example of the lightning. Lightning is the excellent natural example of the electricity. Now, what if we could collect and store this electricity? ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी स्टोर करने के लिए और कलेक्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हम लोग किधर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डेवलप कर सकते हैं? ये तो तुम्हें अभी हमें देखना है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं और स्टोर कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये हमें देखना है. देखो, you must have seen waterfall. All of you seen that waterfall. Which way does the water flow? Which way does the water flow? Waterfall सबने देखा है. तो waterfall में water flow कैसे होता है? Higher level to lower level. Water flows always higher level to lower level. For the generation of the electricity, water is released from a dam at a higher level, and because of gravity it falls to a lower level. Thus, as we know, the direction of a flow of water between 2 points depends on the level of the 2 points. for the generation of the electricity, this the water is released from the dam at a higher level to the lower level. By this generate the electric fans, and by that the electricity is developed. You know that you learn this in 7th standard. I think you learn this in 7th standard. Means हायर लेवल से लोअर लेवल तक वाटर फ्लो होता है. वो वाटर फ्लो से क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइस जनरेट होते हैं. वो ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर स्टोर करके वो वाटर फ्लो से इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइस जनरेट करके, इलेक्ट्रिक फैंस जनरेट करके उधर पावर जनरेट होती है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है. मीन्स देयर आल्सो स्टोर द electricity. Means on the dam there is a storage of more amount of storage of the water, and by using this flow of water generate the electricity. And this water flow, when water is released from the dam, this water flows from the higher level to the lower level, and because of this gravity of that flow of the water, there is a thus, as we know, the direction of the flow of the water between the 2 points, means higher point to the lower point of the level of these 2 points, higher level to the lower level, there is a generation of the electricity. Now what is the potential and the potential difference? See here one given experiment. By this we see what is the potential and the potential difference. Material there means equipment, 2 plastic bottles, rubber tube, clamp and water. हमें 2 plastic bottles लेना है, rubber tube and clamp and water. Procedure: set up the experiment as shown in the figure 3.1 you see in your book. Then remove the clamp from the rubber tube. Note your observations, answer the following questions. क्या करना है, 2 बॉटल्स लेने, एक बॉटल उसमें पानी भर के यू अरेंज एज शोन इन द फिगर. पानी भरना है उसमें, हाफ पानी, हाफ से ऊपर पानी भरना है, उसको एक रबर पाइप जोड़ना है. वो एक बॉटल को रबर पाइप जोड़ के क्या करना है, दूसरी बॉटल को भी वो रबर पाइप से जोड़ना है, और बीच में वो रबर पाइप को क्लैंप लगाना है. तो क्या करना है, देखो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द क्लैंप इज रिमूव. पहले बॉटल में पानी भरा हुआ है और तुम लोगों ने बीच में उस रबर ट्यूब, दोनों बॉटल रबर ट्यूब से जोड़ा है और बीच में उसे क्लैंप लगा है. जब तक क्लैंप लगा हुआ है तब तक वाटर फ्लो नहीं होगा. व्हेन यू रिमूव द क्लैंप, the water flow is starting, and when this does the water flow stop flowing and why? वाटर फ्लो जब तक रहेगा जब तक दूसरी बॉटल में लेवल सेम रहेगी. पहले बॉटल की वाटर फ्लो, पहले बॉटल से वाटर फ्लो हो जाएगा और दूसरी बॉटल में तुम लोग क्लैंप रिमूव होते हैं तो वो पानी दूसरे बॉटल में जाएगा, और जब तक वो वाटर फ्लो स्टार्ट रहेगा तब तक दूसरी बॉटल की लेवल और पहली बॉटल की लेवल सेम नहीं होते, इक्वल नहीं होते, तब तक वो वाटर फ्लो शुरू रहेगा. और जब लेवल इक्वल होती है, दोनों बॉटल की लेवल इक्वल होती है, तो वाटर फ्लो स्टॉप्स, बिकॉज देयर इज अ नो प्रेशर और देयर इज नो डिफरेंस, no any difference in between these 2 levels, so there stops the water flow. Means when the water flow, if there is a difference in both of the level, between the both levels, then they are starting the water flow. Like that also electricity flow is like the water flow. See, like just like water, the flow of electric charge between 2 points depends on a kind of electric level at those points. This level is called electric potential. Just like this water level, means just like this flow of water, there is a flow of electric charge, electric current between the 2 points. Between the 2 points depends on a kind of electric level at those points. At those points means higher level or lower level. At those points, and this level is called the potential. This level is called the potential. See again, just like water flows, you know that water flows from higher level to the lower level. और जब तक दोनों लेवल सेम नहीं होते तब तक वाटर फ्लो शुरू ही रहता है. जस्ट लाइक दैट water the flow of electricity is between 2 points. The flow of electricity between 2 points depends on the kind of electric level. Depends on the kind of electric level, and at those points this level is called the electric potential. This level is called the electric potential. Now see, a positive charge flows from point of higher potential to the point of a lower potential. जैसे वाटर हायर लेवल से लोअर लेवल तक फ्लो होता है, वैसे ही पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्लोज फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ हायर पोटेंशियल टू दी पॉइंट ऑफ अ लोअर पोटेंशियल. पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्लोज फ्रॉम अ higher level to the higher potential to the lower potential. We have seen earlier that electricity flows due to the conduction of negatively charged electrons. Electrons flow from the point of lower potential to a point of higher potential. A lightning strike is the flow of electrons from point of lower means negative potentials on the clouds to the point of higher means zero potential on the earth. We shall study the definition of electric potential in higher standards. The difference between the values of potentials at 2 points is called the potential difference. See what's saying. You have seen that earlier. The electricity flows due to the conduction of the negatively charged particles. Due to the conduction of the negatively charged electrons, negatively charged particles. Means electrons flow from the point of lower potential to the point of higher potential. Electrons flow from the point of lower potential to a point of higher potential. When lightning strike takes place, there is a flow of electrons at the point of lower level means negatively potentials. Negative potential. Lower means negative potential on the clouds at the point of higher means zero potential on the earth. क्लाउड में लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक होता है तभी क्या होता है, देयर इज अ लोअर पोटेंशियल. देयर इज अ लोअर पोटेंशियल मीन्स देयर इज अ negative charge. There is a negative charge, and when this lightning reaches on the earth means at the higher potential on the earth means that is the zero potential. When this lightning it stops, when it stopped, there is a zero potential on the earth means lightning strikes from the negative potential of the clouds and it reaches on the earth to the higher potential means zero potentials of the earth. And by this we means there is a difference. See, so much difference in the potential means in clouds there is a negative potential and when it reaches on the earth there is a zero potential, which is the positive potential, and higher potentials. And what is the potential difference? The difference between the values of the potentials at the 2 points. The difference between the values of the potentials at the 2 points is called the potential difference. The difference between the values of the potentials at the 2 points is called the potential difference. Now see here one given example. Here take two conductors लिए, high electric potential and low electric potential. There are two conductors. A is the positively charged conductor and B is the negatively charged conductor. When In the figure 3.2, you see A is the higher potential conductor, means it is a positively charged conductor, and B is the negatively charged conductor, means it is a lower conductor. And these two conductors connected by a conducting wire. These two potentials are connected by a conducting wire. When there is a potential difference is created between these two conductors, its two ends, and electrons will flow from B to A. Electrons flow from B to A through that conducting wire. B to A means from negative charge to the positive charge. From negative end to the positively end means from lower level to the higher level. And this flow will continue until these two conductors have the same potentials. This flow will continue until these two conductors have the same potentials, and when their potential difference becomes zero, their electric flow stops. When their potential difference, when there is a their potential difference is zero, the electric flow stops, means flow of electrons there stops, and now the potential level of this two conductor is the equal. This is the one example. Means what, see here, two conductors लिए A is the high conductor, high means positively charged, higher level conductor, and B is the negatively charged conductor, and these two conductors are connected with wire. When electric flow start from this wire, electrons flow from B to A, means negative charge to the positive charge, and this flow starts until this flow will starts until their potential difference becomes zero. And when this potential difference becomes zero of the two between the two conductors, then this electron flow will be stopped. Means their level of the electron flows have of the two conductors have same. Okay, here we stop. And 9th standard students, anyone not doing homework, and yesterday I give you project, and also subjects are mentioned there. All students want to complete your project, means speech, essay writing. All students, you complete this project and submit me on WhatsApp up to 12 o'clock. Amit sir strict want to submit all the students, submit projects to all the students, and also complete your homework of लास्ट लेसन का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करना है. ये लेसन का तो अभी मैं होमवर्क नहीं दे रही हूँ. आज तुम लोग प्रोजेक्ट करो और मुझे सबमिट करो. 12 बजे तक मुझे वो स्कूल ग्रुप पे सबमिट करना है. अगर तुम लोग नहीं करोगे तो सर तुम्हें क्या करना है देखेंगे. अमित सर क्या करना है देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.